Hello, friends. So, today we're going to go through the Chakra Sisters Advent Calendar box. I have to do this all in one take because everything is wrapped except for the first gift. I opened up the first gift. Then I had this idea because I don't like to wait and I wanted to see what was in it. But I also have another Advent calendar, the traditional kind made out of cardboard with a little piece of chocolate. So I have like a true Advent calendar. This is a 12-day Advent calendar. And I don't know if they do that because like the 12 days of Christmas, I don't know if they realize that actually starts on Christmas. So this is actually a lead up to Christmas, the 12 days before Christmas. But I figured if I did a review, because there aren't really any reviews out there, then if you wanted the box, then you could get it. Box is $55 from Chakra Sisters. They are on Etsy. So this is what the box comes looking like. And then inside, there's like all kinds of paper on top of this, but I took that paper out. Then all the little gifts are wrapped up in there. So obviously something is going with this straw, or it's just a random straw. But we're going to open up things and see what they are. All right, so here we go. So I did open the first thing because the first two things, I think. No, first thing, just the first thing. And then I had the idea to open it and do a review. So there's like little cards that come with it. Very cute little Christmas card with some candles with a nice little personalized note inside of it. It's 12 days, so you have to count backwards. I'm not really great at math, so whatever that is. So the first gift that I opened was this little pink evil eye bracelet. Now, I don't really do the evil eye, so I probably won't wear this, but it's so cute. It's adorable. So, see if my nieces want it, or if my adopted niece Sadie wants it. She's actually a witch. All right, so then you hunt through the box and you find number 2. Where is number 2? Where's number 10? It's number 3. Here is number 2. So 2 comes in this little box. So I have to say the packaging is very adorable. But once you open it, it's open. So, like, I only can do this one time. All right, what's in here? Oh, it is a bracelet. There's Tiger's Eye in there, and then the chakras. How clever, the Chakra Sisters. So that color's aligned with the chakras. So, it's a little cold because of where I was sitting in my house, but I like it. And, you know, I do wear a lot of bracelets, so what's one more? It gets complicated when I put my Apple Watch on, because I always put my bracelets on this hand. All right, that is actually very cool. So, I don't know, I guess I'll put it back in this little envelope. All right, what's number 3? On the 3rd day of Christmas, the Chakra Sisters gave to me a thing in a little pink bag. I'm going to guess this is some kind of crystal. It's really cold, even though... Oh, that's so pretty. It's a heart. Listen, I have no idea what the stones are. I know like a few of them, but it's the blue one. And it's cute. I like heart-shaped stones. I like heart-shaped anything, really. You know, like I'm the annoying person who draws hearts all over the place. Hearts and eyes. That's so cute. So I'll definitely use that. So that was 3. Where's 4? 4 is a very big box. So the presents, when they're wrapped, are wrapped in this cute pink paper, which is my favorite color. Well, mauve is my favorite color. So let's see what this is. What is this? On the 4th day of Christmas, the Chakra Sisters gave to me a white box. Give me a white box. It smells weird. And being challenged that I am, I can't even see. I believe this is what the straw goes to. Oh, look, it's my favorite color, too. Oh, it's an evil eye cup. I think that's the evil eye. That's the evil eye, or the eye. I don't do the eye thing, so I really like this. Is that a sticker? It is not a sticker. So, this will probably get regifted to my lovely adopted niece Sadie, because she's all into the eye stuff. I'm not so much into the eye stuff because I am a druid and not a witch. I don't know what I did with the little straw thing. It's here somewhere. All right, but it was a pretty color, and I like the cup. That was 4. So this is 5. This is 5. So I'm not upset that there's eye stuff in it, because typically people who like chakra stuff and who like this kind of like, you know, witchy new age stuff, they all like the eye thing. I just don't do the eye thing. It doesn't resonate for me. This is aura cleansing spray. So it smells good. I was gonna spray it on you so you could smell it. You can smell it. Smells good. Smells like a new age shop. And who doesn't need clean aura? Who doesn't need that? We all need that. Oh God, what number was that? That was, let's see, if that was 4, this was 5, so we're looking for 6. Ah, good. 6 wasn't too hard to find. Remember 6. 6 is the magic number. Oh my goodness, we can't secure borders. But man, they can make it impossible to get into number 6 in the Chakra Sisters box. Alright. This one is extraordinarily well wrapped. As you know, if you've watched my previous videos, I'm not a huge fan of wrapping paper. I'm really not a huge fan of wasting natural resources. I'm not a paper person. Oh. Oh, this is balancing oil. It's really groovy looking. No idea what you do with it. It's got like, there must be sequins on the inside. I also don't like sequins. But I like this. It's pretty. Let's see what it smells like. I want to take a little roll-on. Take a little roll-on. Doesn't smell like anything, but I think I have the other smell stuck in my nose. So, but it's super cute. It's super cute. All right, 7 and 8 are together. So I don't know how you would do that if you're celebrating this like with the actual days. I'll have to open half of the paper. It's a selenite stick, and then I'm assuming this is some kind of like wood, the wood that you burn with your sage. That's actually very cute. That legit is super cute. All right, that was 7 and 8. Where's 9? Oh, 9 is a bigger box. Oh, that's got some weight to it. Oh. Oh, it's an intention candle. Oh, that smells really good. It's got glitter. I'm a fan of glitter. The top doesn't actually go on it though. Just if you really wanted it to. But you take the top off. This is actually pretty cute. I like that. I like it. Not a big fan of the glitter, but I'm not a glitter fan. So, all right, that was 9, right? All right, number 10 is this. Oh, and it's a little notebook. It's a little notebook. I have the pink one from my sock that I got from Chakra Sisters. So, that's cute. And then 11 is this giant bath ball. I have no idea what flavor it is. I'm hoping it's the goddess one again. And I think it is because it smells just like that other one. Now, interestingly, there isn't a 12th day. I'm missing a day. So I will have to write to them, because the only thing that's left in the bag is the straw for the C&I cup. But there's no 12th gift. So I will have to write to them. So what do I think about the box? Well, the box was $55. My stocking was $15. So in my stocking, I got this notebook. I got a smaller intention candle. I got bath salts. I would say that it probably isn't worth, well, maybe the 12th day of Christmas gift is amazing, um, and that it doesn't seem like much because I'm missing one of the gifts. So hopefully I'm going to email them and see how well they respond, and I'll keep you updated. It's nice. I like it. Is it worth $55? I'm leaning on a no there. The stocking definitely was worth the $15, but you know, you can get this stuff, you know, pretty cheap. So this is like $5. You know, bath bombs vary, and people charge all kinds of different prices for them. But, you know, I don't know. Oh, I gotta put it back in paper. I mean, I guess the cup, I don't know how much it costs to make these cups. No, I mean, I guess maybe. I guess. I mean, I'll have to find out what the 12th gift is, and maybe that makes it worth it. I like the sprays. They're cool. The sprays are cool. The bracelet is very, very cool. So I like that. I do like this bracelet. That is a cute bracelet. You know, $55, I think it feels to me like it's more worth about 30, maybe 35 at the most. Because like these little hearts you can get for like $3. So I don't know that, you know. The evil eye. It's believed that the eye protects its owner from evil spirits and jealousy. Well, that's good conceptually. I think God does that, though. So, and the angels. I do like this candle, and I know that these candles go for about $20. So, or $15, the bigger candles. So, you know, maybe it's worth that. But I don't know. I'm gonna have to go right to them and tell them I'm missing a gift. All right, well, thank you for tuning in, and I will put the link below in case you want to order from Chakra Sisters. I did really, really like their stocking. I thought that was a really cool concept, and I liked that a lot, even though, like, the bath salts didn't come with any writing on them, so I wasn't sure if I was supposed to eat them, smoke them, or bathe in them. I'm going to bathe in them. least of the three crazy things. So, there we go. There we have it. I am wishing all of you all the best in light and love. Be well. Bye-bye.